Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find Christmas mutated plants in your garden, in your garden. So if you go to these shops here, you're able to purchase a radar. This is what it looks like, the Christmas radar. So I'm just going to take it out and hopefully I have some. I actually don't know if I have any. Let's enable it. Okay, I guess not, but I think I need to leave the game for longer, and then you'll be able to see. I don't know if snowy counts. I don't think it does, but here, let me actually try. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Okay, yeah, it does count the snowy one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!